Hello and welcome to my 16th LEGO Skyscraper City update. After building many tall structures, you sometimes see room for improvement. The second skyscraper I built was made with light brown masonry bricks combined with white windows. While I wasn't dissatisfied with the result, I thought it could be better, so I decided to redesign the building. To do this, I dismantled one of the smaller residential towers and reused the bricks for the new construction. I wasn't satisfied with that smaller building anyway. It served more as filler, but I've decided to only make buildings that meet my standards 100%. Dismantling this structure provides a lot of useful bricks that I can reuse for other buildings. The new plan is to replace the light brown masonry bricks with light gray ones. This should give the building a sleeker design. In my opinion, masonry bricks are beautiful for old buildings, but not suitable for a modern skyscraper. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments if you agree with this decision. But not before you see the final result, so stay tuned. After dismantling the old structure, only the first floor, where the reception area is located, remains. I decided to replace the white frames windows with 2x5 stud transparent bricks. This gives the ground floor a different look from the rest of the building. I also decided to replace the white frames windows at the back of the building with a combination of gray walls and 2x5 stud transparent bricks. Now that this part of the building is complete, we move on to placing the first floor where the office space is located for employees to work. I've decided to include more interior details in the new buildings in the city. For this building, that meant designing 7 floors with such interiors. Now that the first floor is in place, I'll show you how I've designed the exterior of the building. Let's take a moment to look at this before moving on to the second part of the building. Stay tuned! The first part of the building is now completed and in place. Doesn't it look fantastic already? Just wait until you see the final result. As I mentioned earlier, the building features a furnished ground floor and 7 floors, all finished with computers, plants, minifigures, and a spectacular elevator that runs throughout the building. We're placing the next floor and moving on to the upper part of the building. By replacing the white-framed windows at the backside of the building, we can use them at the front of the structure. This has made the building much taller than originally planned. In the next footage, you'll see how I've stabilized the structure by connecting the various elements together. Let's take a moment to see how I've done this before we attach both parts together. And believe me, you don't want to miss this. We're now placing the 2 parts together, and the result exceeds all expectations in my opinion. It now stands as the tallest skyscraper in the city alongside one of my other buildings. Let me know in the comments what you think of the final result. In my next video, I'll continue expanding this skyscraper with new blue transparent bricks I've bought from my local LEGO store. Click on the video to see how I designed this skyscraper. Not subscribed yet? Don't forget to subscribe to ensure you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.